So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex morning call. September, Thursday, 1st of this lovely autumn month, I would say. So for me, it's like the feeling when you have September, it's the summer is done, is over, and autumn is coming, and we're going to the rest of the year. Yeah, so it's a kind of feeling in September, but yeah, I hope you had a great month of August in your life, in your business, and of course with your trading. And I wish you all the best for working with your rules in September. I give my students every month, when you are done with the month, a task. They have to give me 2 evaluations, 2 results. I want to see the whole results of all trades in the month, and I want to see the result without the misdeeds. It could be really interesting. Maybe you should make your own evaluation and about your own trading. You know the rules. I hope you have rules for your own trading, because everybody has its own rules. You can do it whatever you want in trading. That's the good thing and the bad thing at the same time. So make an evaluation for all trades, and then go to your trades and sort out the misdeeds. Where were you wrong about the trend or whatever, if you break the rules, something like this, and then see how the result could be without any misdeeds. And then you will see the market, the system basically is working, but not the human in front of the screen is working. So the moment is, if you do your job, you must become successful. That's the interesting point in trading. So good morning, guys, here on Traders Yard. Alex, good morning. On YouTube, I can see Alexandro Clemens, good morning. Aurel, good morning. Thomas, Dory. I wish all of you, of course, a lovely September too, and I will do my best to support you and encourage you with this free webinar. So before we come to our trading, we have to see the general risk warning. Trading with stocks and financial assets can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. So personally, I would add 1 sentence more. If you do your job, you must become successful. It's also a risk warning, because the opposite is, if you don't do your job, you will not make money. That's the point. That's the risk. So you see, the success is just only in your own hands. So what do we expect today? Economy calendar, not that much. We had at 8 o'clock the retail sales. Germany, by the way, expectation minus 8.8. Consensus minus 6.8. It was much better, minus 2.6. Yeah. So really interesting. And this afternoon, we expect the ISM manufacturing PMI August from USA. Okay, let's come to trading. DAX 15 minutes. You see, nothing changed about our point of control. Actually, it's still here at 12,927 euros by one future contract. We're circling around the point of low. You can see this kind of a double low here at the price of 12,715. And yeah, that's the situation where we are. Mihai, good morning. So about the trend, where we are about the trend, I told you, follow the buckling horse, follow the trend, and you could see it's really cool. We are still in a downtrend. So where was the perfect entry? It's always the same. Here, when you had the balance candles, look, there was the pure balance candle. Yeah, there was the signal. Here was the signal. We had trend on number 2. There was the signal. And now you are in the profit zone. So where could be your point stop loss right now? Of course, in profit here. in profit. If you take money now, if you make partial profits right now and let the rest running, as long as the trend is going on, it's just up to you. Or if you go out and take the money and say thank you to the market and you're looking for a re-entry, it's also your working style. Or if you do nothing and just follow the trend, it's also your working style, which you have to learn. So because in trading, two things are important. The entry is one thing. And to be honest, really, the entry is not a big deal, really. Because if you understand the logic in trading, then you know you need rules. Whatever kind of rules you have, yeah, you can work with whatever their support, resist, with sideways trade, with crossing strategies, indicators, whatever there is, you can. Main thing is the prime directive is you need rules, duplicable, repeatable rules. Why? Trading is a game of mathematics because it's a zero-sum game. Therefore, you need a mathematic edge. And that's the cause why you need rules. If you don't work with rules, I give you the promise and I give you the guarantee. You don't make money on a long run. So therefore, if you have rules where you see your entry, it's not necessary to interpret. It's not necessary to predict. It's not necessary to analyze. It's just fact, rules, checklist, check, 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 all checks there, entry, over and out. But that's not a big deal. The big deal in trading is the trade management. And guess what? There is logic in trade management. You should think about it. Okay, so is there a new uptrend? No, just down. Actually, nothing to do. Let's go one time frame higher. Personally, I used to trade in daily chart, sometimes in 4-hourly chart. So where we are, in 4-hourly chart and DAX 40, still a downtrend. You see, trend of number 4, and check it out. There was your balance candle. How cool is this? Entry possible there, or you are a trend follower, then you had your entry there, and now your stop loss is above the last 0.3, and you wait what's going on here next. You see a trend continuation, yeah, then there is a new 0.3. If there will be show up a new uptrend, then you are in profit, you cannot lose money. You see, that's the real freedom. That's kind of liberation in trading, that you can follow rules, even in a trade management. Dow Jones, guess what? We are short in Dow Jones, yeah? We are in profit. You see that the stop loss is in profit, yeah? And let's see what's coming next, yeah? Bitcoin, just check 4-hourly chart. In 4-hourly chart, we see the downtrend, which means if you had a perfect entry, in trend of number 2, yeah, for example, here, then your current stop loss is here at the last 0.3 and you cannot lose money. How cool is this, right? So personally, I'm working in daily chart and I'm waiting here for my entry because it's the correction. The downtrend is still valid, but price is highly working and highly fighting with the 20,000 mark level, $20,000 level. And we have here kind of balance candles. Therefore, my signal is there. It's trend of number 2. Yeah, and actually, I'm just waiting for an entry in daily chart. If you have any questions we should analyze and you want to have an answer about trend following in your charts, please type in the chat box here on Traders Yard or on YouTube. Feel free. Gold. Oh my gosh, still going down. So you see there is a lovely new trend arm. And basically, this is, you see, this is one of the reasons why automatic systems not working with logic, because there is a new trend arm. There is a new trend arm, and we see another trend continuation. Yeah. So perfect entry, of course, you can see perfect entry here. There was your wonderful down signal. So what you can do, stop loss is in profit. Yeah. And actually, if we can see a trend continuation here and we see a new trend arm, then you can trade a stop to the last 0.3. But basically, the trade is safe. How cool, right? That's trend following. You see, it's not that complicated. It's a simple strategy, but it's not easy because it requires maximum discipline from you as a trader. I would say it's not about trend following. To be a successful trader requires maximum discipline at all and in general. That's my private experience after 23 years. Next year, I have 24 years in my bag. I'm getting old, damn it. Yeah, I hate this part of our lives, that we are getting older and you can do nothing. That's the point. So therefore, on my calendar for September, there's a lovely sentence. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. So my question for you, are you happy today? Listen to yourself. Are you happy? Are you really happy? Can you smile? Can you be kind to other people, which requires happiness in your heart? It's really important. If you say yes, wonderful, keep this emotion for the rest of your life. Oh, let's start with a small thing for this day, I would say. And the other thing, if you say, no, I'm not really happy, then you have to figure out why. And I can give you this advice. If you're not happy, solve it, because you have just one life, one single one. You know what's the problem is? You don't know when it ends. You don't know. You will never know. Maybe today is your last day. Okay, I hope not. But that's the point. We don't have everlasting lives. We have to go one day. I hope it's, well, a long time in the future we have to go, but unfortunately, that's the bad thing. Yeah, we have to go. So why you are not happy? If you're not happy about trading, that's the worst thing ever. But you can solve this. Trading can make more satisfied than happy. Happiness is a consequence, is a cause. It's an effect of satisfaction. For example, if you don't feel happy in your relationship, oh, that's bad. If you don't feel happy in your relationship, you should, first of all, you should talk. Yeah. You know this bad sentence when your wife or your girlfriend comes to you and says, we have to talk. Oh my gosh, here comes the speech. That's the worst thing ever. If you get this sentence, we have to talk. Okay, but now it's up to you that you come to your partner and you can say, honey, we have to talk. I'm not happy in this relationship. So then you have the chance to change something with your partner. And if your partner won't change something, then think about you have only this one life. To stay in your comfort zone while being unhappy, I'm not sure if this is a good solution. I know if you have to cut to make a break in a relationship, if you are not happy, means a step completely outside comfort zone. So even you can solve the topic with your partner together. Maybe your partner is also unhappy because you are the asshole. Maybe. Think about it. You are a trader. Believe me, kids and women leave the sinking ship first. So maybe you are the asshole. And maybe your partner is unhappy with you. Maybe you shouldn't think about this point. And if your partner is unhappy, you are unhappy too. Because you know the sentence, happy wife, happy life. Think about it. Could be interesting to go on this thought, on this journey for your thoughts. Because happiness is the purpose of our life. Pound dollar. Is that cool, right? Trend following. We see a new trend following arm. So in case you had an entry here in trend arm number 2, then your stop loss is right away here. And you're really cool in profit. Trend following, nothing to interpret, nothing to analyze, just follow. That's the point how you can make money in trading. There is no reason, there's no reason to analyze pound or dollar. Yeah, of course, we see a strong dollar about the rising rates. My gosh, rising rates. Yeah. So, but at the end, it's the pure nature of trading to follow the trend. What's my running trades? Australian, Canadian, still circling around the entry. There is nothing to do. Euro, pound, deep in profit. Really cool. Oh, by the way, we reached the last point too. Did you see it? Trend following. Euro, JPY, really lovely in profit. We reached the last. Now we are. That's the point 2 here right now. So it's cool thing to trail the stop loss in profit to make the trade safe. Euro Kiwi, oh, we're coming into the profit zone. That's cool. Yeah, but it's too close to trail the stop. Yeah, just let it go. Pound JPY, I trailed my hard stop closer this morning because there was a trend candle against my position. I cut a possible loss. But in case we will get out, we have to see that there is a possible re-entry in the next days. Pound Kiwi, circling around the entry, actually nothing to do. We had a new trade, Kiwi Cat. Yeah, trend on number 2. Entry yesterday, stop loss below the last 0.3. And Kiwi JPY, circling around the entry here. And US dollar CAD, really cool in profit. Yeah, actually, it looks like we will see a trend continuation very soon. That's really cool. Trend on number 4. You see, trend following is always more possible than a trend break. That's cool. Okay, so Cayetano, do you mind to see if there are any candle at daily US 500? What do I get from you if I do this? Okay, of course we do this. So here, S&P 500. Yeah, actually, there's nothing to do. Nothing changed to yesterday. In daily chart, not. So basically, the downtrend is done. The uptrend is still valid, but we are deep in the correction. There is no candle to think about anything, and there is showing up a new downtrend. So today, there is nothing to do. Still on my watch list, Aussie Swiss, waiting for an entry for short. Aussie JPY, oh, here we go. There was yesterday the trend candle, the balance candle yesterday, and change in color. We're still in the down. Therefore, I set a pending order, stop sell in case that the price will go down. CAD Swiss. Yeah, I leave my pending order here because price is going up, just waiting. US Swiss, yeah, we are waiting. It looks like that the uptrend will continue. Look, we have 5 trend arms, 5. Oh my gosh, really, really cool. I love trend following, by the way. Yeah, and bond market, nothing. And Nasdaq also nothing. We have to wait. Okay, guys, that was my part for today. You see, sometimes it's not really that much to do, especially you work in daily chart. And for hourly chart, there is no reason to sit in front of your PC, make your job, be happy, spend time with your family, much more valuable than every minute in front of your screens for this stupid trading. Thank you for this wonderful start into a new month. I wish you now a lovely trading day, business day, family day. Think about my words, be happy. And if you're not happy, change, because you only have this one single life. Have a beautiful day and have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See ya tomorrow.